Don't pet the fluffy cows, but you can come and see them at Hitchcock Nature Center outside Honey Creek. I'm your Southwest Iowa neighborhood reporter, Katrina Markle. I came out here to learn about these photogenic Highland cattle and what they have to do with conservation. Aric is a natural resources technician for Pottawattamie County Conservation. He says the cattle are grazing brome, a non-native pasture grass.
We're trying to skew the competitive balance between those non-native grasses and the native plants.
Yes, they're cute and they are fluffy, but they are here to do a job. Basically, the prairie evolved with large herbivores, such as bison and elk, that helped spread prairie seed. Ping calls farm animals a facsimile of that process.
We can bring seed out here, and while they're suppressing that brome, they're opening up bare spots on the ground that the seed can have an opportunity to germinate.
They're also here to teach humans.
Beyond our ecological objectives is to acclimate people to the presence of herbivores on the landscape. They're pretty friendly, probably to a fault.
I was trying to respect their personal space, but this wee fella wasn't so worried about mine. As you can see, these animals are big and they're beautiful and they're not afraid of people. But that said, they're still animals and we should be respectful of them and give them their own space. Ugh. You know what? I can't, you distracted me. I'm not supposed to do that. The long-term plan is to have bison and elk in the park.
We need people to get, one, acclimated to their presence, and two, understanding the important role that they play in the function of our prairie and savanna ecosystems.
The prairie also evolved with humans. Indigenous people kept the ecosystem healthier by setting prairie fires.
And we're trying to reestablish that connection and understanding that we are part of this place and our actions have a direct impact on the health and biodiversity of our land.
The herd moves around, so those interested in seeing them from a respectful distance may find them near the Hohneke Trail. They'll be in the park during the early part of summer. At Hitchcock Nature Center near Honey Creek, I'm your Southwest Iowa neighborhood reporter, Katrina Markle.